Little tree. Oh my God. What do you have to say, Bear? Kind of embarrassing. Hello and welcome. I'm about to get ready because in order for me to get things done, I like to feel put together, and that honestly helps me a lot. I just got out of the shower, so I'm feeling very refreshed. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on, not too much today. I'm gonna be taking down all the Christmas decorations, so I'm actually kind of sad, but definitely excited for summer, so that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna finish my makeup up really quick so I can get to work. Okay, so I'm halfway done with my makeup. I just need to add some mascara. I've been loving this one from Essence, Black Brown. It was like $4, so if you're looking for an affordable one, this one's pretty good. Got the difference from this eye to the other one. Okay, outfit is done. Here's my hairstyle. Do you like it? Then for my shoes, Birks. Oops. Hello. This is the current state of my house. Christmas decorations literally everywhere. It's time to take everything down. I'm so sad. So I'm gonna turn everything on for the last time. Okay, this is the other side of my house. This is the living room. We also have to tackle everything in here. Turn everything on for one last time. I have to say goodbye to this little cutie patootie right here. ASMR.
I'm really sad that we're taking off our Christmas decorations because I love Christmas and I'm really sad. The show must go on.
So ASMR. I had to grab the last ornament from the tree. Tree is starting to look very bald. Okay, so garlands we got have a lot of hair loss. They fall from the holes that they're supposed to be in. I'm gonna have to put them back in individually. My sister's located here, guys. Yeah, she's a Christmas Karen. Last year, during Christmas time, my sister had a panic attack. She got so frustrated in the front of the tree, like looking at it, like she was talking to the branches, low-key, like, why are they falling off? She kept on having to like reorganize the tree almost every day because the ornaments were falling. I'm just kidding, guys. The house looks the way it does because of her. She's a Martha Stewart. Looking for interior designer, hit me up. Bye to her little tree. Now I'm gonna move on to the other side of the house. Also, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Putting away all of the cups into these boxes. These cups, we got them from IKEA. They're really, really cute. We usually take these cups out for birthdays and stuff. Now I'm gonna take off these trees right here. What do you have to say, Bear? Let's get these trees out. Need some coffee. We're like 2 hours into this. Sit down and relax. Okay, so we have moved into the kitchen. We're packing all the Christmas cups. Tell me why we have a whole Home Goods in our house. We're at the point where it starts to feel a little bit like never ending. Like you look to the corner, you're like, oh wait, there's more. And then you think you're done, but then you look to the kitchen and then there's more. So I didn't have much left to do. I just had to take out this box for the tree. And then I went ahead and vacuumed. After I was done vacuuming, we put away the other tree. Then I had to vacuum again. Now it's time for coffee. Finally, it's literally, this is kind of embarrassing. Literally 10:30 at night right now. So, but I don't care, you guys. It's Saturday and I haven't had my coffee. till we're exhausted. I hope you got some sort of motivation to clean your house or your room or whatever you need to clean. I've been dragged today. I'm so tired. I'm drinking my coffee. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.